Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Here's how you can start generating more leads using Facebook ads in 2025. If your goal is to lower your cost per lead and scale your lead driven business effectively, this guide is exactly what you need. We'll go through every type of campaign setup you can use to bring in leads with Facebook and Instagram ads. So, inside Ads Manager at the campaign level, you'll see something similar to this. Click Create, and since we're aiming for lead generation, select Lead Objective. So from here, choose the Manual Leads campaign. This advanced option gives you greater control over your ads. So name your campaign, let's say testing. Since this will be your initial setup, let's leave Advantage Plus campaign budget off as well as other automatic settings and hit Next. Now let's choose our conversion objective. So this step is critical because the best objective depends on your business model. So if you want leads submitted directly through your website, select website leads. You'll likely get higher quality leads since people are interacting with your landing page where you can provide more info, videos, and even a free guide. So the downside is this method can be more expensive. You have here instant forms. So these are Meta's built-in lead forms. When someone clicks sign up while scrolling, the form opens instantly inside Facebook or Instagram. So this is an easy way to generate low-cost leads, though the quality may be lower. The upside is scalability. And you have your Instagram DMs. So this method works well for coaches, consultants, creators, or local retailers. So leads message you directly on Instagram, often through automated tools like ManyChat. The automation handles responses, sends links, or books calls while you still capture qualified leads. So next is budget and targeting. If you're starting with instant forms, you can begin small around $5 to $10 per day. This helps you test whether your campaigns are producing leads before increasing spend. For local businesses, edit the targeting to your city or region. Avoid narrowing by interest, so let Meta's algorithm optimize. So focus instead on strong ad creatives. Name your ad set after the region or zip code you're targeting. Next is to build your lead form. So when you're creating your form, you can optimize for high volume or higher intent where users confirm details before submitting. Higher intent helps ensure valid info for follow-ups. Change the name to roofing if you're in the roofing industry. So for your headline, clearly state your offer like free guide, free estimate, consultation, etc. For the body, use bullet points instead of long paragraphs to highlight benefits and deliverables. So for the form fields, always include name, email, and phone number. You can add custom questions like what's the condition of your roof for a roofing service, for example. And when done, you'll have a functional meta lead form. Next is creatives for lead gen ads. So for creatives, let's use both images and videos. Show your service in action. For inspiration, tools like Foreplay let you research competitor ads. For example, in roofing, you might see videos of contractors explaining roof damage directly on site. Structures your creative with clear headlines, bullet points, and a strong call to action like learn more. Have a mix of videos and images in your ad sets. Now, for higher quality leads, switch to website option. Here, you'll set up your Facebook pixel on your site. Use the event setup tool to track form submissions as leads. Start with a low budget to test. Target broadly if you're advertising nationally. So, build your landing page to capture leads. Include testimonials, before and after examples, partner logos, and additional fields to qualify prospects. More detail helps increase trust and filters out weak leads. Now, for Instagram DM campaigns for coaches, consultants, and creators, Instagram DM campaigns are powerful. So, select your Instagram account in Ads Manager, set a modest budget, use images or videos in the ads, create conversation flow like DM me, roofing, automate with ManyChat or manually respond, integrate with your CRM to manage and nurture leads. So, this method feels personal, scalable, and can easily be automated. Another option is driving leads directly to a calendar tool like Calendly. So at the ad set level, you can select the website, optimize for the event, like meeting scheduled, place your pixel on the booking page so confirmed calls count as leads. So, this approach is popular with consultants and service businesses who rely on scheduled calls. Across all methods, instant forms, website leads, Instagram DMs, or calendars, the essentials remain the same. So, always set up proper tracking, integrate with a CRM to manage and follow up with leads, test multiple campaign types to find which yields the most qualified results. So, by applying these strategies, you'll be able to generate consistent, scalable leads while keeping costs in check. So, whether you're a coach, consultant, or running a local service business, testing a different campaign types will show you what works best. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Cloud Funnels 2. Build high profit, AI powered sales funnels, landing pages, opt in pages, business sites, and more in just a few clicks. Create great landing pages with drag and drop WYSIWYG Builder. Inbuilt autoresponder. Grab leads, sales, and send your emails automatically. SEO optimized. Unlock your best ranking potential with complete SEO optimization features. Dozens of free plugins. Save $100 on plugins that get you more leads, sales, and profits. Supports global payment gateways. GDPR and data compliance. Cloud Funnels is available in 17 languages. Secure and 100% control over data. Create multiple funnels. Why make one funnel when you can make many? Create funnels on subdomains and subfolders too. Business analytics at your fingertips. Detailed sales and funnel analytics help you get better marketing results. Dozens of third-party integrations. Cloud Funnels protects your profits by keeping your running costs low. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cloud Funnels 2 now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in.